all right? It's free, Jennifer. It's free. It's free. So the Atlas line, what is the Atlas line? Well, the Atlas line is based on price. There are no parameters, so you're not looking at any type of what's the word? 14 period, 28 period, 5 period. We don't do any optimization whatsoever, which is a good thing because you know that optimization does not work when it comes to trading into the future. Okay? Optimization does not work when trading into the future. Okay? Why it works is because there are no parameters. Filtering trades is how I like to use it when it comes to scalping, to entering the market. All right. Somebody asked here a question about the overnight on the euro, right? Let me show you what happened on the overnight, the euro. Okay. There it is. That's the euro overnight, last night actually, right? Long, went long, bounced off the Atlas line. This is yesterday, last night. Okay, just so you know. Trade every market. Obviously, some markets are better. You can't trade markets that don't move, so you have to use the trades that work on. Actually, you can't trade it on the Mexican peso. It's never going to move. Or rice. So don't trade it on those markets. Trade it on markets that move. Currencies, E-mini, right? Um, Russell, Dow, things like that. Okay, gives 3 entries. Come tomorrow. If you guys are opted in after the webinar is over, I'm going to email everyone a link. The link will also be found on the website, but I'll email everybody who opted in to our mailing list the link for tomorrow morning's trading room. Okay. A free lesson with me. Check out eminieducation.com. You have lots of information on eminieducation.com where you can see and attend one of the lessons that I offer as part of the trading room. Okay? This is something new that I wanted everyone to take advantage of. And you can opt into the E-mini Education room and find out all the details there. Okay? It's been very popular. Classes have been uh, pretty booked for the last couple of months since I started, when it started early in summer. So if you're interested, you have an opportunity to learn one-on-one with me in a classroom. Now, filtering trades. How do we do it? What do you do? How do I propose filtering trades? Well, the first thing we need to know is what in fact it means when the price is strong, when the price is slow, when the price is whatever the case may be. We have to have a reference point always. So how I filter trades, the first thing I need to know is how the price moves. 2 to 3 points is normal price action on the E-mini S&P. Again, that's 2 to 3 points is normal price action on the E-mini S&P, okay? So what does this mean? Well, if you want 5-point profit target, price is going to have to move significantly to get us there. So if you know that the normal price action is 2 to 3 points and you have an outrageous price target to take profits on, it's going to take a lot longer. It's unrealistic. So if price is working normally, 2 to 3 points, then you know that 2 to 3 points is what you can take out of the market. In slow markets, understand what's occurring. There's nobody trading. The volatility is low. Let us not go for 2 to 3 points or 4 or 5 of profit. Think about what price is showing you and telling you, and instead opt for just 1 point of profit target. You're never going to get 2 points or 3 points of profit. It'll take forever to get there. So if you understand what is actually happening with price, you can reference and be dynamic when it comes to taking your profits and stops. Okay? For me, fast markets are 5 points or more. So if you ever see a candle post 5 points or more in a 5-minute candle on the E-mini, 2 consecutive candles would automatically make me trade defensively. And remember, if we know that it's a fast market, we can take more profit out of the market. So in a fast market, when each one of those 5-minute candles are trading 5 points or more, you can actually take 3 or 4 points of profit instead of only going for 2. Many traders that I talk to on a daily basis do not have this concept of taking profit or stop based on what the price is showing you and telling you. Instead, they put on a trade and they say, I'm going to hope that price is going to hit my profit target. If it's not, it's going to hit my stop. Let's not think that way. Let's think instead, price is moving very slow. I'm never going to get 2 or 3 points out of this market. Let me just take one, because that's attainable and achievable. Think about that. Think about that. All right? Not everything is set in stone. If the price doesn't validate it, there's no sense for us to think that it's going to get there because we think it's going to happen. Let the price prove it. So don't allow for price to fake you out and take you out. It's very important. Okay? Yes, market does work in trending markets and up and down markets as well. Okay? Now, every time I do a webinar, I always offer coupons, and I also offer specials and things like that as a thank you for everyone to attending this webinar, and hopefully I was able to bring something to light. These are the coupon codes for a couple dollars off on both the lifetime Atlas code, which I give 2 licenses to, and also the 6-month license, which is less than $100 a month to get the Atlas line for 6 months. It is available for NinjaTrader 7, and it is available for NinjaTrader 6.5. I have it for both. If you need both, I will give you both. Okay? Attend a lesson on eminieducation.com. I will teach you an exact lesson from one of the lessons that I do with one of the students, and you will learn it and you'll be able to trade it as soon as the lesson is done. Okay? So it's an hour and a half with me, and you actually learn something, okay, when you come out of it. If you have any questions, please, now's the time. If you have questions in the future, it's support@daytradetowin.com. support@daytradetowin.com. Please opt in to because I want you to see the Atlas line actually occurring live tomorrow as it happens. So opt in to the mailing list, and you get a link to the trading room, the Adobe trading room, and you'll be able to see it. Ask me as many questions as you want tomorrow morning, and as well as it's 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time tomorrow morning. It's 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow morning. Okay, thank you, Ryan, and thank you, NinjaTrader, for letting me put on this presentation. Hopefully, you will understand a little bit more what it means to trade just price, front-running a trade, filtering trades, all those things, as opposed to trading just based on an indicator. Thank you, guys. Have a great rest of the week, and I'll see you all tomorrow.
Okay, my thanks to John Paul of daytradetowin.com. Thank you very much for being our special guest presenter here today, this Thursday, September 2nd, folks. Go ahead and opt into the daytradetowin.com special offer and visit John Paul tomorrow for his special live trade room invitation to learn more about the Atlas line and their special offer for today. Folks, we do have a great Charting Level 1 class coming up to learn more about the NinjaTrader charting features and how to open up those charts similar to what John Paul was showing, such as a 5-minute E-mini chart. That class is going to get started here at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time, so just about 22 minutes.